Tamara Overby, and I'm going to be dissecting the sheep brain today. It's 2/23/18, and I started out washing the sheep's brain off, and I did pull the meninges off, which is this kind of white covering that was over it. So I'll go over the different areas first. And this is, mine fell apart right here. So first, this is the cerebellum, all this right here. And this would be your medulla oblongata. Up here is your pons. This was the meninges, would have been next. Here is the midbrain, kind of in the middle right here. The optic tract is this area right here, and these top pieces are the optic nerves right there. If you go onto the side, this is your olfactory bulb. The optic chiasma is right here. Your mammillary body is kind of centered right here in the middle. The parietal lobe will be over here, kind of to the top, but on the side. Okay, and then if I turn the brain over, these grooves are the sulcus grooves. On the side over here is the gyrus, which is like the ridge. Your temporal lobes are going to be your sides. From this view, your parietal lobe is up here. The frontal lobe would be right over here, and your occipital lobe would be right back here in the back. The cerebellum is this piece right here. So your occipital lobe, cerebellum. The longitudinal fissure is going to be right in here, which is kind of your middle area right here. If I take it and separate it out this way, I would have my cerebrum up here. Your pineal gland is right in here. The corpora is this big piece in here. And this would be your cerebellum right here. Also, the longer piece would be the medulla oblongata, which also you can see on this part. So now we're gonna move it in half. A little more. So, from this view, you still have your cerebrum. We'll just go with one side. So, your hypothalamus is gonna be right here. The mammillary body is this area right here. This would be kind of your midbrain altogether. And this piece right here, right under here, this is the pons. It kind of hangs down by itself, but that's the pons. Your medulla oblongata, which this piece did come apart, but it would have been this whole long piece here that came down. The spinal cord will be at the very end of it, down here, along with the central canal, which is the circle area. The cerebellum is this area right here, and the arbor vitae is, if you look closely, the white, kind of lighter white matter, where it looks like little veins that are white. That is the arbor vitae. Your pineal gland is going to be right here, and your thalamus is more the round area, kind of right up here. Should be more round. And the optic chiasma area is, let me turn him this way and do it. The chiasma will be this right here. And the corpus callosum is this area right up here on top. I think that is all of it. That is it. Thank you.